Hello, and welcome to 2441 Ackerman here in Charlotte, Missouri. This house was built in 1909, and it's a American four-square, which is a very typical style of the era. Obviously, it's broken up into 4 rooms on either side, or on each floor, rather. So, really good use of space, and they have a greater street presence or more imposing look than you get with some of the bungalows and the homes that were becoming the rage. This is a more traditional style, and again, really well suited for a large lot like this. We're in Charlotte, Missouri, and this street is built on large lots with good setbacks. We come up to the house. You can see some of the original brickwork here, designs within it, brick stairs, and a nice feature that we have is this tile porch. So we have a quarry tile front porch, really large overhang. So this is a deep porch, and it does face east. So we're in the 100-degree afternoon sun, and we have a good level of shade here. Coming inside, as is typical, we walk into the living room through what would be the entry hallway here. The front door, there's a transom above. Very tall windows. These have been updated with good quality double pane windows. However, we do still maintain the stained glass, and that's really nice to see. 2 bookcases on either side of the fireplace with stained glass windows above. Brick mantelpiece. Looks like it may have been painted at some point and then stripped again, as happens over the course of history. It has a nice look to it. Again, same matching stained glass here too. Now another feature, which I know everybody loves, are pocket doors. When we look up here, it's possible to see some of the mechanism as to how this works. There's a track hidden up there, very much like those barn doors that everyone uses nowadays on their bathrooms and closets, except this is hidden within the wall itself. And this particular one glides so easily. It's quite nice. So it's a single door rather than a double. Fits the opening well. And we have the original vent panels here too for the heating system. That's a fleur-de-lis one, a little bit unusual. Here in the dining room, we have coving around the ceiling and a bay window. Again, their windows have been replaced, but they kept the original style, which of this, rather than making it one large picture window or anything, which is a good way to do that. The dining room, we do come on into what was, again, probably a screen porch or sunroom, because it does have this quarry tile on the floor again, but it's been windowed in, so it's now part of the conditioned indoor space. And actually, it may have always been, because I see an original vent down here too. Coming on through, have the kitchen here. Stove and refrigerator on one side, the wet area on the other. And we have a full pantry. You get the kitchen here, nice tile backsplash, newer cabinets, new appliances, and a LVT floor, it looks like, or grouted tile, I guess you'd call it, or grouted LVT. Coming down to the basement. So the house does have a full basement. See the chimney here, which is where the original octopus furnace would have originally connected in this inside into that vent, and then there would have been the clean out for the ashes below. Obviously, thankfully, we don't need those anymore. The laundry area over here with a walkout, water heater, and modern furnace there. Let's go take a look upstairs. These stairs are actually pretty good to walk up as well. Adorable little door here. Let me just close that so you can see. It's quite cute. So laminate flooring throughout the main areas here. And we have the original staircase with its millwork. And I think this may have been another passage which would have gone through to the kitchen. It looks like it was designed as such, but has been converted into a bookcase, which is most likely a more useful addition because it means that you don't have to be worrying about having an extra opening. You can leave that space for countertops. We have a front bedroom here. Good height ceilings. Really nice sized room. Bathroom. Modern tub. Now, what's interesting, it does look like this is the original toilet, or at least one which is a good 100 years old. Vanity and light. And the second bedroom here, which is a walkthrough. Some of these interesting finals that were put up in the corners here. And third bedroom. Again, really good size. Nice closet. Let's take a look outside. The lot of this house is one of the things which really does set it apart. We don't oftentimes get homes that are laid out on as much land as this, especially as close in as this is. Now, obviously, once upon a time, this was on the edge of town. And so as a result, you have more of a farmstead-sized lot. Obviously not enough to farm on, but larger country lot rather than what you get in a more urban area. House also, vinyl siding for ease of maintenance. Good 2-car garage at the back here too. And just so much space. It's a double lot. It's the rear of the house. You can see here that sunroom porch and the pantry and how they're set up here. Again, that probably would have been open with screens originally. Thankfully, we have air conditioning now. Walk out to the basement and a rear kitchen porch. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Please remember to like and subscribe. And as always, let us know if there's any other types of properties you'd like to see. Thank you.